do you think you're going?
No, nowhere, Jamie.
You are going back home with me. You belong to me and no one else.
Yes.
You belong to me forever.
Somebody help me!
If you utter one word now, I will kill you here. Do you hear me? You are going back home with me. You are my property. Okay?
Please, I'm begging you, don't do this. Don't, just drop the knife.
Move now, eh?
Hey! What's going on here? Why are you telling that young lady like that? Why are you harassing the young lady that way?
How is that your business? Is it your business how I choose to harass my wife?
Officer, I'm not his wife. I'm not his wife. Please.
If you say that again, I will stab you to death.
What? Knife? Young man, you are under arrest for possession of arms. You are under arrest.
You're a very foolish man. Do you think here is a police station? Will you get out of here? Go where you're going.
Hey, listen. I said you are under arrest. Before you come here.
If you touch me now, eh?
Jamie, get yourself into trouble.
I'll get myself into trouble, right?
Please.
Watch me. You came here to... Huh? Next time, you will learn to mind your business. Now, move it.
Jamie, you just killed an officer.
I said move now before you join him. Back to the house! Move it. Move it. You want me to stab you before you move? You want me to hit you?
No.
Move it. Then move.
It's a dream. A dream. Oh. Hey, what's up? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Nancy, I just had a very terrible dream. Terrible one. I saw Jamike in that dream. He killed an officer. He was chasing me with a knife and then caught up with me when an officer tried to intervene. He killed him. I just hope he hasn't gotten himself into any trouble again.
No. Huh? It's just a dream. Babe, are you sure it's not your malaria? Are you sure you took your medication this morning?
I did. Moreover, I'm okay. I'm fine. I keep having these dreams all the time and I don't know. It's just so scary.
Okay, you need to calm down. Jamike will come and see you. He said he will come and see you when he closes from the shop. Obviously, he knows you're not feeling too well and he will come and see you. Or better still, call him.
The last price is 55,000 naira.
You know I'm your customer now. I came here to buy something every day now.
I know you see everybody and yet you come to buy from me. And that is why I'm okay. You know what will happen? Because to show you that I want to sell it for you, bring 54,500 naira. And that's because it's you. Last.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, now no problem. Write me a receipt. I'm in a haste.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me. Dikeh, how are you? I'm fine, no. No, I'm at the shop. I've come here.
I do now. I'm in a haste.
Yes, I'm just... No, not to worry. Nothing to worry about.
Fast now. I think I'm in a haste.
Okay, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. Don't worry, I'll get it for you when I'm coming back. You know I love you and I'll do anything.
Guy, I don't like this you are doing, no. I don't like it at all. It's not important to you. Eh? That you keep me standing. If you don't say, well, tell me let me get out from here. What nonsense is this? Eh?
Honey, I'll call
now
you
first
back.
to come back to me, why you waste my time? Shoo?
Oga, get out of my shop.
What did you say?
I said get out of my shop.
You said...
Get out of my shop before I handle you. I'm talking to my woman and you're telling me I'm talking nonsense, eh? If you don't get out of here now, I'll handle you. I said get out of my shop. Tell this idiot to get out of my shop.
Bros, what is it?
You don't want to get out of my shop?
My day was okay. Did some of those women didn't come to see me? Go and drop the things inside. Hurry up, and be careful. What are they for? And you know my teachers. Be careful, you will soon break the bottles. These children safe. You can't put down the bottles gently. Like you. Hurry up and go back to school. Hurry up! Big girls and you're just... Small girls can't do anything again. It's okay. Anyway, as I was saying, a visitor brought the drinks to school for the teachers, but they're becoming lazy these days. So I said if I allow them take these drinks, they'll be lazier than they were before. So I decided to seize everything and bring it to the house.
Mama, you allowed these students carry this drink on their head from the school to this place.
Are you mad?
You should have simply put it in your boots now.
Are you mad? Is it your business? Are they your students? What is wrong with me sending them to do something for me? Is this not simple exercise? If I call them back now, they will tell you speaking that they were doing. Exercise, lifting up and bringing down.
Nobody can stop me. Those fucking stupid Fulani boys can never drive me. What is it? Don't. What?
Now you're taking
Papa,
a big
please
risk.
now.
Don't do this. You're taking a big risk. I will enjoy you.
Moi. Why do they call me Osuda? They don't call me for Osuda for nothing. Now let me tell you one thing. Those small Fulani brats cannot terrorize me. I am not called Osuda for nothing. Now listen to me. Where were those boys? Where were they? Where were those stupid cattle rearers who call themselves Fulani boys? Now listen to me. I fought the Burma War. I defeated them. Where were they? When I went to the Biafra War, Ojukwu was scared of me, but we excelled. So where are they?
Papa,
I will finish them.
Papa, please don't go. Is this what you're going to use to fight them? Let the elders decide on what to do.
No! There is no elder in this community. Bah! I am the only elder who can stand, and that's why they call me old soldier. You understand me? Don't worry. I will get there. We show those Fulani brats that I am above them. Watch this thing. Moi.
Hey, Papa,
Oh,
please
soldier!
now, eh?
Oh, set to go! Oh, soldier, oh, set to go! It has started! It has started! The Fulani cattle rearers are in our farm! Hip-hip-hip! Hooray! I remember when I was a soldier! I remember when I was... Play! Shot! Attention! Move! Now listen. 1, 2, 3, 4! Move!
Papa.
Take care of the house. Take care of the house. Take care of the house.
Wait.
Move.
Wait.
Move.
Hey,
Move.
take it easy.
Take care of the house.
Hey! Ha! I'm going to make me.
Papa is very stubborn. How can he go to fight the cattle rearers while the youths are there?
Your father is so stubborn. What if they kill him there? What if they kill him there? Eh? What if they hurt him? What will happen to me?
Mama, let's just pray nothing happens to him. Eh? It's okay.
I don't blame you. You are a fool. Bless me someday.
I'm a fool, eh? I'm a fool, eh? I'll destroy this. Are you mad? I'm going to destroy this. You say you can't buy it. There's something wrong with you.
Hey!
Idiot.
I'm really a fool. Idiot. You broke the woman with this.
So tell him he cannot buy it. Is he mad? Idiot. God punish your papa dear. Let me see you around here again. Get out!
You broke the television.
Let me prove to him that he cannot have it. How can he come to my son? I call my woman nonsense.
Please, I am tired. Allow me to go back and call the boys. Eh? Hey. You are a woman. We don't need boys. I don't need youths to go and fight those small Fulani boys. I am not called a soldier for nothing. I remember when there was a soldier. I remember when advance to be recognized. Pressure. Remember when I was a soldier. Remember when I was a soldier. It's better you go alone. Eh? If you like, you go and die alone. At least you were once an old soldier. Hey. If they kill you there, that is your concern. Hey. Let me go back.
Don't have to be angry. Please, forgive my friend. He has hot temper. Please, forget what he has done. Look at this thing now. That guy is a fool. A very big ego to that matter. See, I will never, even my two legs goes close to his leg, even my friends will never buy anything from that guy. That guy, he will die top of a woman. He's a very stupid guy. As from today henceforth, I'll be coming here. Both my friends will be coming here to come and buy anything at any good for that guy. Never in my life go close to his leg. Don't buy. Carry your friends, your girlfriends, all your girlfriends, your numerous girlfriends. Bring them to me. No problem, no problem. If your girlfriend steal the remote, I'll have it. I'll come back. I will sell it. Okay, no problem. I don't have problem. No, don't come to his shop to buy it. I will never near that guy's shop again. It's an ego. Don't worry, I'm coming here to buy. I won't bother with anybody. What's the rest? Don't worry. I won't count it to show you that I'm a good person. Don't worry, I'll be coming here. Okay, thanks. Okay, have a nice day. Next week, come on. No problem. I'll be coming here. All right. Bye bye. Hey.
Norma, please run and go and find out if the youths have gone to help him. Also,
okay,
the boss is the only one. Chair lady, this is in my house. Hope all is well.
Welcoming us with a question is not the right thing to do. We've come to collect our money for absenteeism.
Chair lady, but it is not in your power to collect absenteeism fee from the women.
Wait. Do you want me to send these women there to collect anything worth 1,000? Is it your business what I do or decide?
I'm sorry. I asked Benwa to take order for me, to take excuse for me.
She didn't. Go in there and get us our money, please. So guardian.
Charlie, I'm sorry, I don't have the money. I'll bring it to you tomorrow.
Collect anything worth 1,000 and come out.
Agnes, why are you like this? Why do you hate me this much? What did I ever do to you? Upon how close our children are.
Hate you? Hey, I hate. What closeness are you talking about? What has what I'm doing now got to do with being close? This is business, man. Business.
Did you see anything? Have you found anything? Why phone no follow?
Yes, we are coming.
Well, no, puta ba. Open mobile phone no, well, puta. Man, battery the queer.
It's cheer up.
Seriously.
My baby.
Baby, you're welcome.
Thanks, darling.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you doing? This one, your faces are like this. Those are not smiling. What's wrong?
Axel. She's been so uncomfortable that she had bad dream about you and she's been worried. I'm not to cheer up, but
Maybe it's just because of a dream. Look at me, I'm here and fine. Cheer up, Biko.
It's okay. I'm fine. Maybe because you're here.
oh, I beg, let me. I'll be outside.
Okay, I'll see you later, eh?
Nice.
And so I got this for you.
The last set you bought, I have still not used them, and you bought this. I thought you would have gotten your fruit.
Oh, that's true. Okay, what will happen is this: as we're driving out along the way, I'll get you fruits. I forgot because I had a very bad day today. I guess it's because I didn't see your beautiful face before leaving for the shop.
What happened? I said it.
Youth of our community. Yes. I greet you all. We greet you. You see, I told you, and I repeat it. The only good thing you can do for yourself in life is to become an army officer, a soldier. Because once a soldier, always a soldier. That's so. Now, I challenge you all. Go and tell the Igwe and every member of our community they should go home and sleep with their 2 eyes closed. I have taken care of the Fulani herdsmen. Yes. Oh, soldier. Thank you. Anywhere you see or smell their presence, come and tell all soldier and I will wipe them all off. Yes. Hey. Use Gwenu!
Jamike, how could you? You went too far. Breaking your own TV, damaging your own products.
I wanted to prove to him that he can never have it.
Really?
Yes.
And you think that would affect him? It would definitely affect you. Okay, now that you broke the TV, what did you do? He will go elsewhere, buy from another person, and then you lose. Jamike, why? I have told you and I'm saying it again, you need to work on your temper. That is the only fault you...
And I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry now. Do you want me to get a bell and begin to ring it? Why do you paint me as though I'm the devil himself?
It's okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I didn't mean to raise my voice. I'm sorry, baby. Okay. Just get ready, let us go.
It's okay, I'll just drop this in the kitchen.
But you surprised me. Eh? You and I know that you are not meant to go with us. Why did you decide to? Eh?
No, I'm looking for trouble. Let me tell you. Anything that will put trouble between us, that will cause a stir between both families, is exactly what I am looking for.
Why? Why now? Eh? Her son and your daughter are so close to comfort that they might even get married. That woman, Nekwa future-in-law. She's going to be your future-in-law.
Hey! If I may borrow your words, future-in-law is said. Not that she's an in-law for now. There is no way that boy will marry my daughter without my consent. You see what they are doing now? Oye. Can't call Dikeh fanity. I can't borrow like our Fonzia Okumba.
Hey, my sister, look straight into your daughter's eye. So it's a feeling of love. She's madly in love. Love, Baba go queer. Love, Jamike.
Love, Jamike. Hey, love. Do you know what love is? Because people sing about love up and down the streets. Do you know what I went through to bring up my daughters? Alone. My daughter cannot tell me what to do. Rather, I would be the one to tell her what to do. And you see this thing? It cannot work. I am planning. I will strike when I'm ready. And when I strike, hey, I got it deadly.
We all know how you suffered when your husband died to raise these children. I am, ma. But when it comes to love, nem will away. Oh, Biko. Oh, you not better than love.
Old soldier has done it again.
What did he do?
Do you know he drove the headsman away? I'm telling you.
That man is good. He's so brave. Hi, old soldier.
Biko, please. I'm not ready to listen to any false news from any false human being.
Mama, I'm not lying though.
Old soldier, drive headsman away with what?
Strong man.
With Unkwang or Kogene. Please.
He's a strong man. When the man over that. Hi, old soldier.
If it's the likes of old soldier that you know, you have a problem.
You don't have to do this.
Boy, get off my way. Hey. I want her to leave this house this minute. No, if you do not leave this house, I'm going to call my boys to tear you apart. Now leave this house. What did I say? Sister, I want her.
Sister, Biko.
Do this. You're stupid.
Don't say it. I beg you, cause me. Just listen. Bring your bag. Please, go and get your bag. Let us leave. Biko.
You are here. She's talking to me like this.
No, she cannot.
I will disgrace and disgrace you.
Stop.
Now get her out of this house.
Biko, she will.
Let her leave this house.
Biko, please.
Move it. What rubbish? What nonsense? Is that imagine?
Let's go. How much are you doing?
Yeah, not 300. Why are you doing that?
300. Why? Honey? Which one do you want? She says these ones are 300.
Oga, come and buy the orange. Now that they make love. Let's go, Papa.
See me, you're talking to me.
Madam,
Because I want to buy
are you crazy or something?
Am I crazy?
How will you buy oranges away? Are you?
Are you talking to me like that?
Please, get out here!
Sister, go down. It's okay. It's okay.
My friend.
Please, just come and go. I'll call you. I'll call you.
So because you're a police officer, that's why you are disgracing me like this?
Madam, leave this place at once!
No problem. Patrick, don't you ever come my life again.
My friend, he will not call you! Get out of here! Don't be sister! My friend, sit down. I said you should sit down there! Sit down there!
Sister, why will you not be shouting at me too like that now? Stop commanding me. I'm a man, no?
It's only in the family that you show that you're a man. Sit down here! In fact, excuse me. Let me just find out what she is.
Yeah, I don't like this thing. Just be commanding somebody up and down. Sit down, sit down.
Nonsense! What rubbish!
Oh, shout as if somebody is still a small boy every time.
Now you listen to me. I do not want to see that girl in this house anymore. You listen? Are you hearing me? Are you listening to me?
My dear, don't worry about Agnes. With what I have done in this village, Agnes is supposed to respect me. Don't worry. With what my son has done for his daughter, can you imagine? Yet she cannot respect you. But don't worry. Forget her. By the time we become in-laws, she will respect you and everything will be over. I can assure you that.
I am not happy. It's your I am not happy. Everyone knows that Charlie does not go to collect fine when people do not come for meeting.
Yeah.
But she followed them to come here just to despise me. Just to get at me.
Don't worry. I will give Norma here money. Then she will go and pay them and bring back your tray.
Better.
Papa, if that woman would continue like this, then it's better you tell brother not to marry Dikeh.
You know your brother. Your brother has a mind of his own. Nobody can change it. But don't worry. When time comes, he will realize what's going on, and then he will change his mind.
With the way he loves her. Jamike, I know. We never think of leaving Dikeh.
Don't worry, don't worry. By the time I change my mind about them, my son will change his mind too.
I don't know why God made you a man instead of a woman. God, I'm really sorry. Especially when it comes to matters of the heart. Especially when it comes to women. They know how to maltreat you and you will just balance and relax. I don't know why you're just weak. I don't know why. I don't know.
Sister, you're insulting me. You're insulting me.
No, my brother, I am not insulting you. I'm sorry. I am just telling you the truth. You're the only brother I have. I will always stand and protect you. And I will not allow any woman come to this house and put you into trouble. No! If Bolivia were to be here now, she'll come and fight for you.
Now, then I told you to stop fighting for me. Did I beg you to come and fight for me?
Mba! Boy, allow us look for a cool-headed and intelligent girl to be your wife. Yes.
Sister, thank you, God bless you. But I am not interested. The girls I find myself may have one issue or the other. But nobody's perfect. I like them like that. Biko, stop fighting for me. The more you fight for me, the more you make me look weak. I'm not weak. I'm no longer that small boy that used to carry up and down. Biko, rap him.
Lekwana boy, he is now a man. But whether you like it or yes, I will keep fighting for you. Let me see the woman that will come here and maltreat you and give you trouble. I want to see. Jamike, what is it? What is this? Everywhere we go, you disgrace me. Just today, you have fought twice, 2 times. Everywhere we go, you fight, quarrel. What is it? Who does that?
Why did she insult you?
What do you mean, why did she insult you? Couldn't you hold yourself? Maybe I should have been the one to buy the fruits myself. You go here, you fight, you go here, you quarrel.
You mind the way you talk to me yourself?
I will talk to you the way I want to. What is your problem?
Don't let me.
You want to smash my face? Well, go ahead and smash my face. Smash it, Jamike. What is wrong with you? That is the only problem you have. Your temper. Deal with it.
Dikeh!
Can you imagine? When will that guy wake up and start behaving like a man?
My sister, ask me. Just because he has 2 elder sisters that are rich and connected, that's why he's acting like this. You cannot fight with your boyfriend. You cannot have normal misunderstanding with your boyfriend. They will just jump into it and interrupt.
Honestly, I can't date such a guy. Tell me, is this how he's going to marry you?
Marry me? Did I tell you that I'm planning to marry him? I'm not marrying him more. I can't. And you even need to see the way that police was pushing me. That one, she's very heartless. A boy. No problem. He will still come and meet me here.
No wonder they call him a boy. But tell me, how did he make his money?
I'm still asking the same question. How he makes his money, I don't know. But that guy is rich. Babe, he's very rich. And that's what attracted me to him. Only for me to find out that he's a weakling.
You just need to be careful. Take care of yourself.
Boy. Hey, you need to see what happened today. You will just pity me. You will pity your girlfriend.
Talking about marriage with a boy. Well, you know you're older than a boy.
How am I older than a boy? Listen, in marriage, age doesn't count.
But if you get married to a boy, our family will be very happy. It will be the best thing that ever happened to us. Auntie Chika, you're not going to leave me in this village.
Of course I will not leave you. That's why I'm praying for this marriage to work. Because me, I really need a husband.
Chai, no wonder. You will first fetch water for a boy's mother before fetching for the house. Anyway, I'm happy for you, Sha. I'm happy. But Auntie Chika, if you get married to a boy, you will check if there's any of his friends so that wants to get married. So that you know now.
Why not? You will be my chief bridesmaid. At least from there, guys will see you are married.
Are you serious, Auntie Chika?
Yes. Thank you, Auntie Chika.
But I cannot just wait for you to marry her. I can't wait to rejoice our family.
I don't wait.
One day you have to take things easy. You have to try and control yourself. Now you're telling me your girlfriend left here in anger. What the man?
Oh, son, I just hate it when people provoke me.
It's alright. The line chairman said you have to pay your fine. So when you come to the market, you do that.
That's not the problem. When I come, I'll pay the fine.
Alright. You have to try to...
Don't stop offering to receive of this thing now before you people come to this place.
Sorry. I will see you tomorrow in the market. Maybe I need to
I call him rubbish.
I have told the people in this village that I am a good man, but most of you here always think that Okonkwo is a drunk. I'm not drunk, but one day I will show you that I'm a wise man.
Okonkwo, don't forget to pay me my money today. I have given you what I'm supposed to give you on credit. Shut up,
shut up! Keep the drink for me. Am I drinking with your money? If I don't drink it, who will?
Yeah? Okonkwo. Oh. You're here enjoying yourself, right?
Agnes, Madam Principal. Yes. Agnes, what is your business?
Not my business. Yet you have not paid your daughter's school fees, but you have money to drink.
Agnes, don't insult me. Don't just insult me. Or you are using style to tell me to marry you.
Let me advise you. Tell your daughter not to come to school tomorrow. Because if she does, I will flog her and still send her home for not paying her fees. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at all the empty bottles, yet you can't pay school fees.
Agnes, Madam Principal, are you the only principal in this country? You are not. If you send my daughter away from the school, I will send her to a school in the city. Besides, how much is the school fees? Chicken change!
Madam, take this drink back. No. He hasn't paid the daughter's school fees. Why are you giving him drink? There's no point allowing him. Look at all the bottles he has already consumed. It's obvious he's drunk. Look, all of you, help one another, help each other. You can't sit back and watch this man get himself drunk. You send him home. Go and pay your daughter's school fees.
Agnes, mind yourself or else I will deal with you, yeah? Hey, keep the drink here.
Drink. No. She's making a point. I don't want people to see me that I'm the person making you not to pay your children's school fees. Yuko, pay me the one you are owing me. You've taken 6 bottles, which is 1,200. Pay me my money.
Okay, they don't do you. Go home. If you do not pay, go home.
Are you out of your mind? Waka. Let me finish this one first. Hey, bring that drink. Come on. Agnes, if I catch you. Hey.
Who came? Yes, I want to make food. You would have waited for me to come back. Don't worry. I don't want to overstress you. Yeah? Deniria, thank you so much, Mama.
Mama, you're welcome. It's the Lord's doing.
Oh, it's the Lord's doing it. Chai! Deniria. Mburuma. Chai. Thank you.
When will you say Avoy is coming back again?
I don't know yet, but soon your husband will be back. He will be back. Your Huzi. I knew already that if he marries you, if my son Avoy marries you, overnight he will turn that his flat tummy to shoot out overnight.
Oloma, I am very sorry for everything. I need you to please forgive me. It's not really my fault. It's just my sisters. They keep protecting me every time. I did not ask them to do that, but they keep protecting me as if I'm still a baby.
Are you not a baby? Hey, boy. Are you not? See, don't let the money you have deceive you as if you're a man, because you're a baby.
Hey.
And you better start changing that your stupid name, boy, and answer your real name, Patrick. Be a man and grow up. What is all this?
Oloma, please, I've heard you. I'm going to work on this, but please, let us go back to my house and talk about this. Bikono.
Go back to which house?
My house.
Me, Oloma. Go back to that house. Lie. I am not stepping a foot into that house again. But wait though. How did your sister get to know that you quarrel?
I don't know.
You don't know? Any small thing, you just pick your phone and call them. As what? So we cannot have boyfriend and girlfriends fight again. We cannot have issues and settle as couples again.
We can.
Aboy, please don't even try to provoke me now. Don't provoke me, just get out from here. I told you I am no longer interested in this relationship. So have Maka save up.
Oh Lord, Asa, baby, you have not gotten into this now. Bikono.
This was how your former girlfriend left you. And you want me to do the whole fighting? I'm not interested. Go back and suck your sister's breast. In Anuya, just get out from here.
Oh Lord.
Get out from here. Just go. Rubbish. I'll never be a man for once. Every time they will control me.
Has he gone? He can sleep there for all I care. Who cares?
This is the insult that they brought upon me. Mama will have to hear this.
A boy can never be a man for once. Eh? He can't stand and take decisions on his own. What is this? Me, I'm tired though.
Nancy, calm down.
That is why I like Jamike in a way.
It's again. Who? Jamike. Let me not hear that again. Please, if that is how to be a man, count me out. How can you call that one a man? That acts like a mad person, fighting twice in a day.
Are you serious?
He has temper issues.
Yes, my dear, we know he has temper issues. But come on, there are lots of people with temper issues. They don't act the way he does. If I hadn't left his house, he would have battered me again today. And then all he has to say at the end of the day is, I'm sorry. If he comes here today, I am telling him that I am done, D-O-N-E, with this relationship. Don't say that too.
I won't force any of you to continue with the relationship. They say it's he who wears the shoe that knows where it pinches him or how. The most. All I can say is that nobody is perfect.
Yes, we know no one is perfect. We understand that. But you see Jamaica's own. The place it has been pinching me is now pinning me. I can't. You have to be. He's even manageable. I prefer him to Jamaica.
Manageable. When you name make a wine.
If that boy slap you.
Jamaica anytime.
I can't do. Okay.
Leave your wife and join the army. One more river to cross. One more river, one more aggression.
Oh, soldier.
Son. Left, right. I'll greet you.
Soldier never die.
Don't be scared, huh? Don't be scared. My gun is in safe hands. Don't worry. Always be prepared. Be prepared. As an old soldier, I'm always prepared. Yeah. I'll greet you.
Sit down. I can see brightness on your faces.
Why can't we be happy when we have an old soldier in our midst? It's a team of joy.
Yes, it's a team of joy, my brother.
He is my brother.
Oh, soldier.
My brother.
Oh, soldier. That's why we are here. Oh, soldier.
Never dies.
We, the elders, have decided to thank you for what you did today. Huh? It's an act of bravery. You see, we've been living in fear after hearing what those people did to other neighboring towns. Huh? So what you did today will show them that this community is a no-go area for them.
Yes.
Huh? Oh, soldier, thank you very much.
In fact, you deserve an award for this.
Yes.
You deserve it. Gentlemen.
Oh, soldier.
What I did for myself. I didn't do it for anybody in this community. Listen to me. I am not called old soldier for nothing. I'm always at alert. You think I'll be alive? And I look at all these little brats, they call themselves Fulani headsmen. Oh no. I am ready to... Only 3 bullets and they're gone. That's just me.
Sit down. You deserve it. Huh? Igwe asked me to include your name amongst the king's cabinet. Yes, when he comes back, we are going to inaugurate it. Huh? Our free chieftaincy title awaits you, O soldier.
You see? That's splendid! Oh, that's splendid! That's splendid! Oh, yes! Now, listen to me. What you people have to do for me is be on the lookout. Always be on alert. Anywhere you see those little brats who call themselves Fulani headsmen, even Boko Haram, inform me. I, old soldier, will finish them. Once we... And
old soldier
never dies. And they're gone. So please, advance to be recognized. Permission to fall out. One more river, leave your wife and join the army. Thank you so much. I want to march off.
We are proud to have you in our midst.
Don't worry.
Oh, soldier.
Oh, soldier never die. Oh, soldier never die. Oh, soldier. Thank you very much. I move.
Obina Gonache. Obina Gonache.
This is my brother.
Oh, my brother. Okay. Obina Gonache.
It is better you leave. Because there is nothing you will say to me that will make me leave this compound with you again.
I'm saying I'm sorry now, please. You're the only one who knows this, my temperament. You know it's my problem and we're working on it.
Don't be angry now, please. Let's go back to the house and talk.
Go back to which house? Me? You? Never. You promised never to hit me today and you almost did.
But I didn't.
Oh,
I held myself back.
I should have waited.
Please now. See, your neighbors will soon come out and begin to see us here. Let's go back to the house and settle this amicably.
Look who is concerned about neighbors.
Come, let's go back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You've had the guts to walk out on me.
Dikeh. Biko Nunu. Please now, please. See, Dikeh, let's go back to the house and settle this, please. Okay, if you don't want to come to the house, let's just go to a bar or somewhere, anywhere and talk. Please.
It's okay, let me change into something better.
Thank you.
Good evening, Mama.
Good evening.
Mama, is Aloma around?
Stay to your mission and get out.
Okay, Ma. My mother said I should give you this money and collect our tray. Aloma! Aloma!
Yes, ma'am. Collect the money and give her back the tray.
One girl, she wants to eat everything. One girl, she wants to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire.
I thought they wanted to prove stuff.
Mama, why were you so mean to her?
Because she's from a family of false people.
Mama, Norma is neither her father nor her brother. Besides, Norma is a very nice girl. I know her very well.
Okay.
Don't forget her brother is getting married to my sister.
Have you finished what you're doing in the kitchen?
No.
Then carry your busybody self back into that kitchen. And don't ever tell me about anyone getting married to anybody. Nonsense. Busybody. I don't ever want to hear it again. Busybody. Nonsense. She's from a noisy family. All they know how to do is shout, shout, make noise. Spread false news. Nonsense. Nene, eat. I'm sure 0 over 100. I see who is Obi or see Obi is on the tree. Who is Obi, not where is Obi? 2 different questions. Nonsense.
What type of mama be this?
Oh, show them who I am. Once a soldier, always a soldier. And all soldier
never die. No.
Hey, my tray is back. You go and keep it for me. If Agnes like, let her eat herself.
Mama, you needed to see the attitude that woman gave me. I wonder what we did to her that will make her treat us this way.
Don't worry. Now she will know who I am. You see, she knows I'm an old soldier. By the time I destroy all those Fulani herdsmen, finally, she will come crawling towards me. She will crawl and crawl and crawl and start begging.
And then you will match on her. crush that stupid head.
Good. Always a soldier, always a soldier. Always a soldier, and all soldier never die.
That keep my tray for me.
So, and get my food for me.
Okay, Papa.
Mama,
Huh?
where are you going to?
Oh! Mom.
Where are you going to?
I am going to see Obi. I gave her money to buy something for me from the market. So I said, let me go and collect it. This one you came without informing me.
Mama, it's not every time I want to see my mother that I have to inform you first before I come and see you. Hmm? And Mama, I'm not very happy. There is something I need to discuss with you. Cannot be wait. I need us to go back home. Let's go and talk. Biko.
Why are you looking at me?
It's one face I can't resist looking at.
Okay, come on, that's a joke, right?
Who's joking? You know I'm not joking.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma.
Good day. How are you?
How will I get for you people?
What would you like to take on?
Anything is fine, but please no alcohol.
Sir, what about you?
Wine. Let's get wine.
Okay. We have red wine, champagne.
I said get me wine.
It's okay. Just get us a bottle of champagne, please. Honey, please, we are outside. I don't want you to get angry over nothing, okay? I just want you to be calm, please.
What's the meaning of that?
I'm just saying I don't want any drama. I just want everything to...
You don't want any drama? I'm not a mad person, right?
Chamike, I haven't said...
No, that is what you're saying. I'm a madman. Everywhere I go, I display. Is that not it?
Chamike, I'm just trying to...
Stop saying! What is that? What do you take me for, an animal or what?
Chamike, I haven't said...
You haven't said what? What are you implying in public? I'm a mad person, isn't it?
Chamike, we're outside.
Meet me.
I need someone to love, because I can't help myself. Baby, must stand with me to show me love. Oh,
Boy, don't tell me it's the reason you visited.
Mama, you're telling me it's not enough reason. Yeah? By the way, I have decided that from now on, I do not want anybody to address me as a boy.
Hey, it does. Oh, you are very, very funny. Why do you want to change the name of it?
Mama, you don't laugh at me. Have you finished laughing at me? I'll tell you I want to change it. Mama, I do not wish to be addressed as a boy anymore because I am a grown man. Mama, I have grown. I'm no longer a boy. This is why my sisters keep thinking I'm still a boy. They keep meddling in my affairs with my girlfriends. My girlfriend does something, her less sister know, and the next thing she's overreacting. Why? Because she still thinks I'm still her baby. She has to look after me. Mama, Chorozimia, Chorozimia, Biko, tell them to stay away from my affairs with my girlfriends. If my girlfriend does anything wrong, and I happen to tell her, I am telling her just because she's my sister, not because I want her to come and fight for me. Do you understand? I tell her my girlfriend did something and then she came around and she threw my girlfriend out. Why?
Then why did you tell her?
Go like this. I will tell you why I told her. Mama, sister called me. She asked me how are you doing. I said, hey, I'm fine. She said, how is your girlfriend? I said, my girlfriend is fine, just that we are having a little problem. Just that, because she's giving me a little hard time. Sister got upset. She got upset. She found my girlfriend. She came over and she threw her out. Mama, what did ma? What? Is she supposed to throw my girlfriend out? Just because I told her something?
Ah, boy. Listen. We will not leave and see any girl, any woman, treat you anyhow. Okay? You are all we have. My only son. The only Iroko tree in my husband's house. You made me to still live in my husband's house. Like I said, we will not live and see any woman treat you anyhow. Inania? Boy, eat your food.
Mama, wait. What's not a boy? It's Patrick.
Bargain.
Patrick.
Patrick. Boy, eat your food. I am not laughing at you.
Don't let people stare at us on the street.
Oh, really? People are staring. But when you do yours, you don't even think about people around. Well, Jamike, I don't care. Just leave me alone and let me be, please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are not. You see this relationship of ours? I am done. We have to sit and think about it. I can't cope. I am going mad.
You cannot say that now, Abba.
What do you mean?
You cannot talk like that.
Jamike, please, let me go.
Wait. What? Listen to me.
Jamike, leave me alone. Leave me. You are not sorry.
I'm sorry.
You are not sorry. Leave me. I am tired, Jamike. I can't come to here. I am tired. Leave me alone. What is it?
Leave her. She said she don't want you. Leave her. Don't be a woman rapper.
Are you talking to me?
Jamike! Jamike, you touch me! Leave me alone! What is it?
Please, can you do it? I'm begging you, calm down. Are you not a human being? Are you God? I'm saying I'm sorry. You're not taking it.
You're shouting at me?
Yes!
Jamike, I am even complaining about what you did and you are shouting at me? Jesus Christ. Jamike, I beg you in the name of God, everything you hold dear, let me go. Jamike, if you touch me one more time,
Dikeh, accept this apology. Accept it now. Don't make me angry.
What I'm trying to say is that you are a rich boy. You are born to be great. Oh yes, you are rich. And no woman should write on you. No one. I think I will send for your sisters to come.
Why do you have to send my sisters to come? Eh? Mama, do they have to be involved in everything I'm doing? Are you telling me I cannot decide who to marry and when to marry, Mama? Mama, please. My sisters are both married. Eh? Mama, I have told you. If you people do not stop calling me a boy, I'm going to make an announcement in this village. Yes. If anybody calls me a boy in this village again, I will make sure that person gets punished.
Huh? What about me? So if I call you a boy now, you punish me? Huh? Chai, a boy.
Mama, it's not funny. Mama, I'm not laughing. Mama, I mean it.
You don't know the joy I had when I gave birth to you. You don't know. I was told I am going to give birth to you. Until that day, that very day, no one ever believed that you are a boy. Until when I went to the hospital and the doctor, they took me inside labor room. Simba saw push.
push where, nyapo, you came out. When you came out, I looked deeply at you and I discovered that there was one tingling thing in between your two legs. I started shouting, "It's a boy, yo! It's a boy, yo! It's a boy!" Both the doctor and the nurses, they were all dumbfounded. That was how everybody started calling you a boy. Till today. Now tell me, in this village, is there any boy or a girl that's better than you? Wakanem? Is there anyone?
Mama, I'm telling you something that is very important to me. You're here laughing at me.
I am not laughing at you, my son.
Mama, you are laughing at me.
I am laughing at the mystery surrounding your birth. You don't know how much love your sisters and I have for you. Imaro?
Mama.
Odogum, Dikeh, Avoy!
Mama, I know you and my sisters love me, but I just want to be able to do things now as a grown man. That's all I'm saying. Be cool, talk to them for me.
Eat your food, or should I feed you? Avoy! Avoy!
Babe, he's still waiting. Come and pick his call. Please, just answer him now. It's okay. Nancy, please.
I'm not picking his call. For how long will this continue?
Babe, you need to calm down, eh? You've been enduring this thing for long. I know that one day God will change him.
Which God? Nancy, this is not a matter of God. This is Jamike's personal character. This is his life. One day I'll wake up and I'll hear that Jamike has killed someone. What do? I am done with this relationship. I am not going back to him. Never.
No, babe, don't say that.
Don't tell me not to say that because there is nothing else I would say. You know, sometimes I just wish Jamike has the kind of character a boy has. Although people think that he's lily, but my dear, I prefer him that way. He is just my kind of man. Perfect, gentle, calm.
Babe, but he's nice though. This is just his temper.
That is the issue. His temper. I can't deal. I am done. I can't enjoy it anymore.
Okay, why not just answer him? Just one more time.
Nancy.
Just one.
Nancy, please. Drop it.
Okay, pick your call now. What is all this? Pick your call now. Eh? Is it bad for someone to have that temper?
Baby, must stand with me. Just show me love. Or even more.
Okay, pick your call. Pick your God, what is happening to me? Eh? Why can she not just overlook this single fault of mine? Why?
I promise you.
Chika!
Hi, boy. Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. I bless
You're
God.
looking good.
Thank you very much. Oh, God be the glory.
Yes.
Are you just coming?
Oh no, I've been around for a couple hours, but I was with Mama and she told me how you've been helping her at home with a lot of house chores. I really appreciate it.
It's the Lord's doing, don't mention.
Thank you
nothing,
very much,
it's nothing.
Thank you.
Are you going back now?
Yes, I did not plan to sleep over, but you know, I promise you, when next I'm coming, I'll buy you some beautiful packages.
Are you serious? Thank you very much.
But hold on.
God bless you.
I really appreciate you taking care of Mama and helping her at home.
Thank you very much. I will stop praying for you.
I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm not stop taking care of Mama.
I won't. I'll do my best. Sure, trust me.
Thank you.
To the glory of God. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll remember your gift when next I'm coming.
It's okay.
I'll remember.
Johnny messes. May the Lord see you through.
Amen.
Thank you.
What is it? Auntie, what now?
Grandma.
Eh? Grandma?
Yeah. Grandma is dead.
Which grandma?
Your grandma.
My mother is dead. Hey! Hey! I'm in trouble. My mother is dead. My own mother is dead. Chime! Eh? How do I remember? I am finished. Hey!
Mom, it's okay now. Let me take you there. Let me take you there.
My mother is dead, no Gula. Hey!
Jamike, truth be told, you cannot continue to beg me like this. For how long? I mean, is this how we are going to get married?
I'm sorry now. I'm begging you. I'm sorry. Listen, I've realized.
See, I've realized there's a very, very serious evil spirit that is disturbing me and needs to be cured. I've realized that. I need deliverance. I'm saying it with my mouth. Can't you see it? Please, just forgive me. Oh.
It's okay, but this is not what we should talk about this morning. I need to go to school. I'm running late already.
Fine.
But listen. When I get back, we need to sit and talk. Serious talk.
I will wait for you already. I'll be here. Okay, don't worry. I'll take you to school. You know I can do anything for you. Just don't be angry with me. I'll take you to school myself. Oh. We came. Baby.
You people knew that she was sick and nobody bothered to tell me.
My mother took her to Lady's place for local medication. She wanted to call you only for her to die this morning.
I am finished. Can no DC Kebunka or one. You call Becky and let her know what happened. I may not come back this night. Okay. Take care of the house.
These caterpillars are evil.
Evil. No. We won't take this at all. We won't take this. Fight.
Hey.
This.
What is happening here? So it is true. It is true.
It is.
Yes, it is truth. It's true. It's true. You have seen it. You have seen it. See, you elders must do something. You people should do something in this village. Look at him. Just look at him. If you people do not do something, huh? If you people do not do something, and I war. With the youth of this village, huh? I got war.
Yes.
I want war.
That is too much.
All soldiers must hear this.
Hey, Che. We have already sent someone to go and call the soldier.
I will call him myself. I will tell all soldiers. Talk quiet.
You better call him now.
Boy, what is it? Let's sit there now.
You have to calm down. let's talk this through now. Because I have reported this issue to my mother already. So...
Once again, you have reported it to your mother already. Hey! Her boy, so you can't be a man and take decisions on your own. Eh? What is this my mother and my sister for?
No, you don't understand what I said. I mean, I reported my sisters to my mother so she can warn them to stay away from my matters. Eh? I want to take charge now. I want to be able to, so that you and I can resolve our issues on our own. Eh? Because no, I don't want us to lose each other.
Oh boy, Ifela Nemekwagi. Eh? See, I am no longer interested. I am here to collect the money you promised me. If you're not giving it to me, tell me, let me get out from here before your sister will come and attack me again.
If it's the money, I can give it to you, but just that I do not have cash at home, so we can go to the bank and I'll give it to you.
Don't touch me,
Please, I have decided that nobody should call me a boy anymore. From now on, my name is Patrick.
As if you have the final say. Pico, grow up. Nobody should call you a boy again. Small time, you go and tell your mother.
I'll get my car keys and okay.
It is obvious to me that I made a mistake yesterday. I should have killed them. But this time around, they cannot escape me.
No, this is not a fight you can fight all alone. Because Siano, don't go. Biko.
How can you go to fight when the youths are there?
Youths? Which youths?
The youth of this community.
Listen to me. Once a soldier, always a soldier. The youth to talk about. Have they ever gone to war? No! This is not the protest march. You carry leaves and you start protesting. We don't go agree with you. No. This is not a Luther continue. I will tell you one basic fact. Those Fulani herdsmen, I am going to cut their heads off one by one.
Nah, you know, it's not fair that a man will release his cow to go and destroy another man's farmland. Oh,
they will pretend they don't know what they are doing, but they do. Let me tell you one thing. If you got today, you Fulani herdsmen, I come after you. Wait for me. You have signed your death warrant. You will feel me.
Just take it.
Take care of your house. I go to war.
Mama.
Your father is very stubborn.
I know. Don't worry. I'm sure the youths will be there to help him. He won't fight alone this time, okay?
I just pray so.
It's okay, Mama.
You have to control your temper. If not, with the way you are doing, your wife, your gay might decide not to do with you again. She might leave you.
What? Or something, anything that will make her leave me. That thing had better not happen, no, because it will be war. War!
Then you have to control your temper. You have to control your temper. It's not fair.
Do you sell 14 inches TV?
Yes, we have.
Hope you don't sell China. I don't sell China.
So this place looks like where we say China.
Who knows? People are wicked in this market. You might get whatever TV.
What is it, George?
I thought of what is it? Where you work?
Nekuda! Hey! Don't come back here again, no! If you want that thing, how can you stop me and our wife?
Calm down. Open your boot.
Sir?
Why are you here?
No.
Open your boot.
I'm fine.
A boy.
Open your boot.
Stop chasing. Go and open your boot.
Hello, sister.
Hi.
Sister, policemen just stopped me on the road now. They said they want to search my car. They want to search. I don't know if they are planning to take me to jail.
Hey.
Biko, sister, please, talk to them. I told them you're a senior officer in the system. Biko, Officer Matita is on. She's a madam in the police force. Biko, sister, please hold on. Officer.
Hello? Morning, sir.
I told you.
Okay, ma. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. You can go, sir.
I told you. She's a senior officer. You can go, sir. You see? You can go. I told you.
Thank you, officer.
I told you.
Thank you.
Was attacked. The herdsmen were many. The youths ran away. We called old soldier. Old soldier, come back. He refused. Old soldier, come back. He refused. They killed him.
No, Papa. Papa. Papa.
Old soldier.
Wake up! Papa, wake up!
Hey!
Papa, please wake up! Papa! Papa, please wake up!
My brother is gone! Old soldier is gone!
We are calling you. Old soldier, come back! Old soldier, come back! Now you have died. Belugo is into soya. Get him. Oh, soldier. Huh? Oh, Begun.
I want him in a system.
Babe, I'm tired. You need to see the way a boy was shivering.
Hi, God. What kind of a person is that? Why was he shivering? Wait, does it mean if he doesn't have sisters, he cannot take care of his problems?
Ask me, oh. Ask me, babe. Eh? He can never be a man for once. I am tired. I am fed up with that guy. I can't continue like this. Eh? It still baffles me how he makes his money. That guy is so weak. I can't.
Now I know why his relationship doesn't last up to 6 months. Once any babe he dates discovers his weakness, will cheat on him, then his sisters will step in and break them up. It's better for him to grow up and become a man.
Nebiko, I need to go and rest. Because what I saw today, hello man.
I need to go.
Wait, what is this? Are you okay? Jamike again.
Grandmother is dead.
I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Stop crying. It's okay. Take it easy. Please. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Oh.
Jamike, be a man. Eh? You don't have to cry too much. It has happened. Your father died a hero.
What kind of hero was he, Uncle? Don't tell me that. What kind of heroism was that? How can all the youth in the village run away and allow old men to go to war?
Your father was very stubborn. Nobody here will bear me witness. We tried to save him, but he wouldn't listen.
Papa!
He said those soldiers don't die. Even Okoye will bear me witness. He was the one that came and called him. They attacked 2 days ago. Yesterday they came back again. And look at what happened.
I swear if nothing is done about this, I will set this village ablaze. But the cattlemen and the villagers, I will set everybody aflame.
No, my son. No, don't do what your father did, so that what kill your father will not kill you.
Uncle, if you just shut up your mouth now, I'll strangle you now. You have put it on any death. You want me to kill you?
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. You want to kill him? What's wrong with you?
They have killed my brother. That is what is wrong with me.
I want to kill him. Leave him alone now, Jamike. Look at me now.
They have wasted Papa's life like that, and you are telling me don't
commit murder. Look at me now. Because they are not Nambiko, no Wambiko, no what to say. Soldier, where are you? Always in the old soldier now. Wow. Hey!
Mama, I don't understand this. Why would your sister not call you on time? I've already spoken to them about it. You need to stop crying. We've passed that stage. The only problem now is how to bury Grandma. Where does one raise the money for the burial from? Muan, as the first daughter Zada, I am meant to bring the largest amount of money for burial.
Mama, stop disturbing yourself. You cannot kill yourself because of this. After all, you have a brother that's the eldest son. He should bring the largest part of the money.
Your uncle? Does he have anything? Your uncle has nothing. Eh? Yeah. That is the problem. Hi. If only I had a rich son-in-law, I wouldn't be talking like this. The man would have just taken care of all the bills now. There won't be any suffering. Maggie, I beg you to marry that man then. You refused. If you had married him, I won't be complaining now. Mama, you want me to marry a rich man so that if Grandma dies, he will give you money? Okay, let me ask you. What happens to me after the burial? If you want to leave him now.
Mama, this is not fair. Let her do what she wants to do. She is in love with Jamike.
Ha! Love, because that love will die. What are we talking about? See how Jamike's father died. That's how he died. And I can assure you that Jamike will die the same way. Mama, that family is too noisy and you're not going to marry into that family. In short, I want to advise you to start thinking of how to let that boy go. How to tell him that it is over. Mama! Oh, Mom!
Mama, I don't want this anymore. It is better we discuss it here and now. Can you forward it? Mama, you want me to get married? I also want to get married. But how can I do it, Mama? Tell me. How can I get married when these two will not get off my back? When they keep distracting me? Eh?
Look at how he's talking. A boy.
Hi, Chineke. Osia boy! Mama, you did not tell her? Because Sister Golibe, for your information, that name is now invalid. Do you understand? Mama, you know I informed the village town crier to inform everybody in this village. Whoever calls me by that name, a boy again, will be punished. From now on, my name is Patrick.
Papa Mpam.
Epa.
A-B-O-Y, a boy. A-B-O-Y, a boy. Have you forgotten that it has not been long you stopped bathing outside? Ichefugo mgbe ị na-agba ọtọ ịpụta iyipụ dross. Na-akwọ mmiri mbịa m were aka na-asa gị m kwụkwara gị n'ike ebe niile m na-asa gị. Have you forgotten? Now you are a big boy. Ị ka a boy. A-B-O-Y, a boy. A-B-O-Y. Oh, hell, a boy. Now listen. Why I am telling you this is that we don't want any woman to maltreat you. We don't want that. Eh? Big woman.
Mama. Are you both listening to him? Eh? Hey. Look what a boy you. Small a boy. Golibe. See, let me make this as a note of warning to you. A boy. We are your family. And we love you so much.
Mom.
We are here to stay and follow you up until you're in a good hands. And you know that you're the only son that we have. But it's okay. If you want us to stay away from you, so wadiro. But don't you ever call me if you have issues again. Don't try it.
Even me, don't even dial my number. Don't call me. Wait, hold it.
Hey! As big as I am, you want me to start begging you? Please don't call me. I will not call you. I will not call any of you. Nigodi. Don't call. Who even called you in the first place? Did I call any of you? Mama, you called them here. Biko, whenever I call you, do not answer me. Do you understand? I will never call any of you. What am I calling you for? Stay away from my business, especially when it has to do with my women. I'm a wafa. Stay away from my business. Get it for it. I am a man. Get for it. I am a man.
Man.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sika, how did I meet you? I was running to the house now to come and meet you. Why are you panting like this?
Now. A boy's mother, I saw her on the road. She said I should come and call you. A boy is back.
Oh, wow. Since when?
I don't know, but he came along with his sisters.
Hey, go. Okay, in that case, let me go back home and get my Bible.
No. Auntie Chika, you don't need to go and get your Bible. You're okay like this. You know how important this marriage is to the family. You know how happy we will be if a boy gets married to you. A boy might not waste time in the village, oh. So just go like this, you're fine. Go. I'll go. You know this marriage will be the best thing that ever.
Calm down, I know, I understand.
I'm down.
But calm down, okay? I'll go home, let me go get something ready, then I'll go back to their house.
Are you sure you will?
I will. But point of correction, don't call him a boy, he's brother Patrick, okay? But just go home, let me go home and get my Bible.
No problem. Are you sure you are coming?
Yes, I'm coming. Put yourself together.
And Chika, make sure you go.
I will. Calm down. What's the problem? Go.
Okay, now tell her that you are coming.
Yeah.
Dikeh, where are you going?
Mama, I want to see Jamike and his family. I need to sympathize with them.
Really? As what? As their wife or what? Your grandmother's corpse is in the mortuary. You're going to sympathize with somebody. Mama, why would you say a thing like that? Why would you compare someone's father to someone's grandmother? Your grandmother. My mother. So what are we talking about? If I Gigi. I'm just going. You're just.
Thank you, my love. I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How is your mother?
Well, she's there. She's good, though. She's there. What can we do? I heard what happened, so I came to sympathize with you. Mama, Ndo.
You're welcome.
Ndo. Skasi. Ewo. Mando.
It makes me cry the more.
You don't know where Yaka be.
I'm trying to jide myself. I'm trying.
You don't know where Yaka. Oh.
The painful thing is, if only I had a son-in-law that would help me, I would be crying like this. Hey.
Mama.
Do you know how much we need? Let's go to burial. 1 million naira. If I had a son-in-law, whether rich or not, as long as there's money, I won't be complaining.
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Why am I here? We can sit down and discuss these things and see a way to.
What about teaching your cash? It's not only honor.
Yes, so we can discuss about it.
Let us see. I'm going to sit down. Come and sit. Sit. No.
I'm not called on Tom.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all. Adonne, go live. You guys are here. Good evening.
Oh, Chika.
Hey,
Chika.
Thank you. The Lord has been faithful to me in the village.
Chika is a born again. Warm. In fact, Chika and Jesus is like this. When she speaks one like this, Jesus will answer. Period. Very home-trained child. Very nice daughter. She has been helping me, washing my clothes, washing plate. If you can come and everywhere the child clean, it's cheap.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
thank you.
Oh. So I invited her to come, so that you people will see her. I want your brother, to marry her. Chika, go inside and wait for me. You will see those clothes on the bed, my clothes. Help me to fold them. You know now?
So, Jamike, you said you're going to help me on this burial issue.
Although Becky and I are not married yet, but there's nothing the son-in-law can do for you that I will not do. I just need her to be happy.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention my love. It's okay, eh? You don't have to thank me. I'm doing what I should do. Okay? So, Mama, I have decided to support you with 800,000 naira.
What? Jamike?
Yes.
No, listen to me. You don't have to do this. You have a burial. You have a burial as well. You shouldn't do.
You have your father's burial as well.
I know.
What's your problem, Mama? Did he tell you he doesn't know he has to bury his father? The man is just being kind, and you're stopping him. What is your problem?
It's okay. It's okay not to worry, okay? Even if it means me borrowing for my father's burial, I will, but I just need to help, okay? I want you to be happy.
Oh, Jamike, thank you so much. Thank you. Mana, to be honest with you, if you can round it up to 1 million, it will be perfect. That way you will not start looking for change, you know. For me to return change or for you to... 1 million will be just perfect. It will make me happy.
Mama. Yes. What is this now? Has he not tried?
That's Mama, why are you like this? What is this you're doing? What have I done? Hey. Is 1 million too much?
Okay, I'll make it 1 million.
Hey! Okay, what? That's why I talk about you.
Jamike, listen to me. You don't have to do this. Trust me, you have something bigger at hand. I think you should face that.
I know, but I need to do this to make you happy. I know, if I don't do it, who will?
Nobody is nobody will do it. Because you're the man on board now. Hey!
Jamike! That is why they call you Jamike.
Hey!
Maria!
Hey!
Mama, Biko. Give a gift. What did you say? I sent for her so that your brother Paul will marry her. She's mature. This is for her.
Mommy, who's that?
Hey!
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 What is all this? Mama, Mama, this one will not work. How? It will not work, oh.
Mama, Chalo. Chika! Mama, do you realize that we are age mates? She is the same age with me, Mama.
That is why I invited her. I need somebody that is mature. A full-grown woman that will take care of her boy, that will pamper her boy. Who could you not? Hey!
Mama! Is it not enough that you people are calling me a boy? You call me a boy and now you want to bring someone that is older than me to pamper me. Mama can be for Mama with a Maggie. Mama with a Maggie. I got the white kids of Konubam, calling your Malaka now. Mama, why? Mama, why? Hey!
Mama, Biko. What is it? What is it?
Chika. Mama, Chika and I, we used to be in the same class. Mama, Chika almost taught me bad things. Mama, you can't walk.
But she's not a born again.
Mama Chelo, no.
She has repented.
Mama Chelo, you see that her waist? Mama, if you know how many things that have entered that place, you will not say this again. Mama, you can't walk.
Mama, it's not walk. Golibe, Chika, front and back. Hey! Mama, you can't walk. Cha. Hey!
That Kobian. Now he has arrived. If this is the only thing I gain from him, it's okay. He has tried.
At least you cannot manage to love him.
Why? Maka 1 million. 1 million naira. He has been sleeping with your sister all these years.
Mama,
did he pay for anything on that? Collecting the prettiest girl in the village. The only girl in university. And you're talking to me and my home. Biko.
Mama, please don't allow another ear hear this thing.
Mama, what is this?
Why are you like this?
This is not fair now. What have I done? I've done nothing. The only good thing here is that my mother will be buried. She will be buried in style. It will be the talk of town.
Mama, you said it here that all you and your family needed was 600,000 to bury my grandmother. Immediately you saw Jamike, you changed it to 1 million naira. Even when he offered to give you 800,000, you were still not happy.
What's your problem? Is it your money? Is that why you wanted to spoil the deal for me? Ha! Please, after the burial, at least I will still have some change in my hand. What he's been doing to you? Has he been paying?
Mama.
For years.
Mama, you know I am still battling if I'll marry Jamike or not. Yet you made him commit himself to giving you that kind of money. Why?
That's not a problem. After all these years, you've been doing it with him. Yeah, did he pay you any money? He didn't give me. If the relationship finally scatters, everything goes with the relationship. We start another relationship. Because I'm stressed. By the way, when is he paying? Do you still have my account number? Let me send it to you so you will send it to him so he can send the money. Yes, now.
Mama, I hope when I'm ready to get married, you're not going to use me for this. Because this is trade by barter.
Okay. When she's about to get married, can you hear? This one is not even ready. You've not even passed jam. And I know how. She will not marry anything useful. So it's better we make the money from your side so we can be sending some to her. You think I've not been seeing you with that carpenter under hoop watch? Such an ambition. A whole principal. Having a child that is looking at a carpenter? Not even a good one. The one that knocks school or Chomaka together. What?
Ije, I'm here.
Good, you have to be here with us. I sent for you because I wanted you to be here while we discuss this. Ije, over to you. Jamike, we are here to discuss about your father's burial, which is nearby.
Oh, okay.
So after going through the process of burying a cabinet member, we have come to tell you that you will kill 2 cows for him. That's amongst other things that are in this list. You check it, you calculate, and you know how much you are going to use in burying him. Take the list. It's not even too much. It's not bad.
But my father just newly joined the cabinet chiefs before he passed. So why all of this? And you're asking him asking us to provide all these things for his burial? 3 million naira, mama. Where do you want me to get that kind of money from? Listen, remove his name from that What did he even get in that cabinet as a member?
A member is always a member no matter when he joins.
No, a member is not always a member. Don't tell me that. What is all this? 3 million naira.
No, we are not going to do that too. We can't do that. There are other traditional rites he would have performed while he was alive. He didn't do them. Now you are going to be the one to perform them for you.
Remove his name from this list though. What did he even get as a member of the cabinet? You're coming to tell us to provide 3 million naira for his burial and I give... Remove my father's name from this list. What? Tell them all. Remove my father's name from this list.
You would have indicated when he was alive. You are working out on us?
But this money is too much. Where do you get that kind of money from?
Whether he tear list or not, he's going to perform them. It's not me that wrote it.
Iche, but that is too much. Where will he get such an amount of money? Did you tell me? You are his brother now.
That boy.
Which boy? In fact, you're alone. How will the mayor?
Mama, that's not possible. You don't want us to go hungry after the burial.
Mama, brother is right. Since Papa died fighting for the community, can't they take care of his burial?
Thank you, Norma. Oh, Mama. Did you hear what she just said? Papa died because of this community. He died in war front because of them. And they're not even thinking of contributing anything towards his burial. Instead, they're asking us to provide 3 million and 2 cows.
My son, don't worry. I will still talk to Iche. Let me see what they can contribute towards his burial. But if they refuse, that means we'll have to bury your father the normal way, not as a cabinet member.
Yes, so we'll bury him the normal way. Tell them not to because the thing is beginning to get me angry now. They should not provoke me, They should not provoke me, And they're bringing more bodies upon me. I have 2 burials to do now. I don't even know where to start. And they're bringing this their long list. Beef.
Did I hear you well? 2 burials?
Yes, Mama, you heard me right. Beke's grandmother is dead. Do you know how much I'm going to spend on that?
Brother,
are you the one to do the burial?
But you're not married to Beke yet. How can you say you have 2 burials to do?
Will you stop talking rubbish? What do you know?
No, don't start. Now,
get this one.
Sorry, we have heard you.
Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry now.
Amazing. I was just passing by when I saw you. I decided to find out if you're going my way. My name is Patrick.
I know you.
Oh, you do? That's a good thing. Can I give you a ride, take you somewhere for a drink so we can talk? I would like to get to know you too.
Sorry, I can't ride with you. Do you want to start to beat me up? Hope they know you came out. Please, just leave me alone. I'm okay here. Meaning, so you can't remember my face. Cynthia's lodge mate, the one your sisters got arrested just because they were dragging you in your house. Please, leave me alone. I am not interested.
I am sorry, okay? I am very sorry for what they did to you in the past. Please, give me a chance to make this up to you, okay? Let me take you somewhere for a drink. Let's talk and I just want to make up for what they did to you in the past, please.
Okay, you know the year. I say I know they enter your car. Carry your car, they go. I know once. Now by force. Papa, failing me, Jare.
I'm sorry.
My son, what are we going to do now? That the money we wanted to borrow did not work out. How do we make this burial come to pass? Eh? Now because who got the okwa?
Mama, don't worry. I will sell the car.
You sell this car when? The things we need for the burial is not yet completed. So what are you going to tell the elders when they come this evening for the meeting?
I'm even expecting them to come so that I'll know what they have decided to support us with.
Brother, we can't wait for order. Why not call your friend Osando to help you with something?
I've called Osando and he's trying his own best. You think things are easy? Things are difficult. Don't worry yourself, Mama. I say don't worry. We'll get all these things sorted out. Yeah? Don't worry yourself. There's this man I intend to call Seth anyways. I've been trying his number. It's just that network has not allowed it to go through. But I'm going to drop baby in school this evening. So when I get there, I'll try the man's number before I come back. So to know what he can help with.
Which baby? You're going to drop her this evening? Okay, what will I tell the elders when they come for the meeting this evening? Must she go today?
I will still come back today, Mama. I need to take her in school today because she has exams on Monday. If she doesn't go today, she'll miss that paper. Yes. This evening. What is it? Guinea drama. That thing and they could now. Mama now.
Mama, this is not fair. This is not fair. You received a lot of money from grandmother's burial. All I'm asking is that you refund Jamaica's money, or better still, lend him the money. He needs to bury his own father.
I don't know why you're talking rubbish. Lend him money. I'm not lending him anything. Look, the money that Jamike gave us, he gave us out of his own free will. He used it to support the burial as part of the supporters club. So please don't tell me to refund anything, Biko.
Mama, yes, I agree. He did not just give us money. He came with a cow and drinks. Mama Jamike has been very nice to us. Just support him, even if it's a little. Please.
The young man is not asking. He doesn't need the money. Eh? So why would I offer him money that he didn't ask for? He doesn't even need it, please. Why are you crying more than the bereaved?
Mama, this is hatred. This is complete hatred. I know why I'm saying this. I know why I'm telling you this because I don't want Jamike to use anything against me if this marriage thing does not work out. Biko, give him his money. Sister, even you say you have a problem.
Choose your struggle. Are you still getting married to him or not? If you don't want to marry him, then let him know.
Aloma, please. Take your time. Take your time. Don't I have the right to change my mind to something that doesn't give me internal happiness? Eh? That is why I hate it each time Mama collects money from him. I have said it before and I'm saying it again. Each time I remember Jamike's temper, it gives me high fever. Just look at what he did during grandmother's burial. He almost forced the use of this village. I don't even know how to tell him this. Mama Biko, Ejim Chukwu Ayogi. Give him back his money. That is all I'm asking. Please. Please, you're talking too much.
Refund which money? Let me even ask you a question. Since this boy has been dating you, how many years running now? Has he given me anything for sleeping with you? Or hasn't he been sleeping with you? No, quick on Abasa. He's been sleeping with you and he hasn't paid anything. So don't even talk to me about refunding the money because I will not.
Does he pay you to sleep with you?
Why don't you come to the plan like I told you?
One I was given the insult of my life today. Izio.
By who?
By Onyekwano. By some girl I just ran into on my way today and decided to talk to her. This girl insulted me. Frank, there is nothing this girl did not tell me. She told me the story of my life. If one man. And do you know why it happened? Because of my sisters. Because of the way they command me around. They have so brought me down to the point where every girl in this town can now look down on me and talk to me how they like. Eh? Can you imagine that nonsense?
I warned you. You see the reason why I told you to brace up. Be the man. Take charge of your life. Your sisters love you, yes, no doubt. But stop letting them to control you, for God's sake.
Frank, I have done that. I have said no to all these insults. I have done that already. I have done that! I've told them. This is the last time it will happen, no? The very last time. I cannot continue taking this insult from my sister. Can I afford it? Eh? I even reported to my mother. Can you believe she supported them? Yes, my mother supported them.
Really? Just calm down. Take your decision. It's okay.
No, I'm not taking this anymore. I need them to stop meddling in my affairs with my women. Eh? They brought me so low. Every little girl now talks to me anyhow. Biko, just...
Jamike, after our last meeting, Igwe sent us with this. Take it now. That's a check of 150,000 naira.
For the burial?
Yes, that is the help the community can render. Please, take it and manage it.
This is rubbish.
And also, remember to buy the necessary items as tradition demands. Because that day, the elders will eat and drink.
Inside this 150,000 naira, can this even buy one cow? I don't get it. I thought you people were going... Excuse me. Hello, Aloma. Yes, I'm home. I'm with some elders. Now? Is she ready? Okay. Tell her I'm coming to pick her. Now I'm coming right away. Yes. My elders, we have to continue this meeting tomorrow. I have to take my baby back to school this evening.
Jamike, how could you do that when we still have things to discuss?
I said we are done for today. Tomorrow we'll continue.
And you have a meeting with the whole cabinet tomorrow morning.
Which baby is he talking about? Which baby is he talking about?
His girlfriend, if you don't know.
Come on, boy, baby.
Mama, I have been saying this. Please give him the money. He has his own burial to do. Give him his money.
Please, Beke, don't tell me that nonsense again. Kefe, what do you mean by he has his own burial? If he does not have money to bury his father, let him put him in the ground. Then when the money comes, or please, did I beg him to give me money?
Mama, you did not.
Ayolomia?
You did not beg him, but this is not fair.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. Mama, why are you sounding like this? Why are you saying this?
Why am I saying it?
Mama, it's not...
Mama.
Hey! Jamike!
Oh. Thank you, Kedu.
My
love, we have to be going now, okay? So I can come back early. You might have to come back today.
Are you sure you can make it back to the village today?
Of course. So I just said to come go drop you in school, then come back because we have to continue that meeting. It's very important.
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi! Hey, pure water. You know, I've been working so hard. I've been so busy. I've not had time to take anything.
Can go tell me cocoa.
Cocoa, I'm on solve here. Jadi sugar. So you might go, but if I had a bottle of wine, it would just clear my throat and my chest will be clear. I don't know who would even buy that kind of thing for me. Yeah?
What do you need a bottle of wine for? Moreover, we have some bottles of wine left inside the house. Go in, take one of them, please.
You don't even know the difference between non-alcoholic and alcoholic. Cause was there, but non-alcoholic. I need the alcoholic one to clear the chest. It's okay, God will always provide.
Don't worry, Mama. This is about 10,000.
Hi.
That's the only money I have here.
Hi, nah.
But what will happen is when I'm coming back, I will withdraw from the ATM.
Oh, nah, God bless you. Thank you.
I will withdraw.
Are you sure you?
No, I will withdraw from the ATM.
You will withdraw?
Yes.
Mama, I don't like this.
What?
I don't like this.
Moreover, you heard him. That's the last money he has with him. He's going to drop me in school. What do you expect him to give to me?
He will go to ATM now and withdraw before dropping you. No, ATM. And then phone transfer.
Mobile transfer.
Up you're too much.
Okay, Kaijebe. I'm going to tell you the thing. I'm going to tell you
Bamba, you wouldn't know my brand. Let me buy it myself. Don't worry, I know where to. I got a principal can bun to the Orlando.
Okay, Mama.
Ngwajano. Hey. Mom is more than 10,000. Chalopano. Fabani got cut off. This my mother Grego. Apollo. Hey.
Ugodia, you have to caution your son. How could he abandon the elders here and left to carry his girlfriend back to school?
Che, please, I am sorry. I am very sorry. Please help me talk to the elders. Oh, I'll talk to him.
This is getting out of hand. My brother's love for Dikeh is making him misbehave. He's not doing the right thing.
Yes. How could he kill a cow for that girl's grandmother's burial when he has not buried his own father? Huh? And his late father, also, never killed a cow to bury his own father. Don't you know it's an abomination? An abomination!
Not fair. Not after all my fasting and prayer, you're telling me that God will not marry me again. It's okay. It's okay. I know how the thing is paining you. It's okay. I'm sorry. But you were there the very day I was arguing with him and his sisters about this issue. And I wouldn't want a boy, my son, to marry you today and tomorrow you'll be complaining that he is treating you bad. I don't want it that way. Okay? I know it's painful. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I am still alive. A boy is my son. But I'm telling you that never you lose hope. He will still return back to you and pay your dowry and marry you. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. Also go to Mechano again. But have this. It's okay. Chi, have this. He asked me to give you this. That you should have this money. He's giving you this money to compensate you for all the good works you have been doing for me. But I am giving you my word that you should become a boy will marry you. I will try as much as I can to make sure he marries you. I know. When you say love is blind, love is not longer blind now. It's okay.
You need to calm down. Calm down. Stop telling me to calm down. I have been calling his number. It is not connecting. I have to make sure he is home.
Maybe he's busy. When he settles, he will call you. Didn't you tell him not to go?
I did. I asked him not to go, but he said he had a meeting with the elders in the morning.
Well, you text I love this guy too much.
Not really. But I do care about him.
I'm still contemplating if I will marry him or not. But my mother keeps making things too hard for me.
Why? Is it because of the cow he killed or the 1 million?
Everything. My mother says I will not marry him, yet she keeps collecting things from him. I don't... In fact, I'm confused.
My dear, you've not promised to marry him. And I will not advise you marry him because of everything he's been doing for you. Your happiness is far better than all these material things. And after all, he's been eating your apple.
Now you sound like my mother.
Yes, now. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, that reminds me. Our boy asked after you.
He did? You're sure?
Mama, I'm finished too.
Oh, give me Maggie!
Mama, I'm finished.
Brother, what is it?
Hey! My car, my phones, my money, gone.
Chimo.
Gone, oh.
Chimo! Hey! Chimo! Hey! Ah! Nah, who didn't enjoy you?
My car is gone, and what was the motto?
Your car is gone like that? Ah! Who did I steal his own? Who did I take her own? Who is doing this to me, Chimo? Ah! Ah!
Who is doing this to me? Who did I offend? Who is doing this to me? They just took the car, took the phones, even the money I withdrew. I was going to pay the DJ and other people for preparation. They took everything.
Your car gone like that?
You could have stayed back in the city and come back tomorrow morning.
Amam banga from Duri. Amam nepeli meneche bnuzo amam.
Kakuke. Akuke. Akuke.
Hey!
Hey, Madam Agnes, please help me. Let my son take this exam. I will pay his school fees soon.
That is what most parents say when they come to beg. And at the end of the day, they will not pay anything.
Hey, I will pay. Instead, let me give you something that will worth the amount of money for you to hold on to. When I bring the money, I will take it back, please.
Hi. Hey, I know how I got to where I am today. I didn't just jump from anywhere and become what I am. You see my 2 children? Hey. I trained them single-handedly. So I know what it means when a parent is struggling and trying to pay school fees. Okay.
Big.
Because of the way you helped during my mother's burial, I'll pay your son's school.
Hey! Thank you very much, Timo. Thank you.
You don't have to hold my waist.
Hey,
it's okay.
Thank you.
It's all right.
God bless you.
One girl, she want to eat everything. One girl, she want to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this?
I'm on my way to school. I don't want to hear any bad news.
Mama, it's Jamike. Jamike was robbed last night. His money, everything in his car.
Thank God they did not take his life.
Mama, is all you're saying?
Am I the robber?
Wasn't it your daughter he went to drop in school last night that this thing happened? Oh. He even gave you 1 million naira.
Did anybody force him to drop my daughter? Hey, he gave me 1 million, so? Yeah, listen, go and do what your sister asked you to do. After that, you go inside and do the one I asked you to do. Then you sit and study for JAMB. You know now, you're not as smart as your sister. So you need to study.
What is your problem? Because one I want to go see revise yawa. Keep it that ball on nisi. Ichi a boy say on no nana. Rapo no wagi wani kongalo waya.
Let the city girl he wants to marry fetch water for his mom.
It's well, shall. But me, I was wondering. Auntie Chika, I was seriously wondering how brother boy you leave the city. All those, what do they call themselves? All those small girls with big God, yes. All those small girls with big God. All those pino girls. Now you know what I'm talking about. Fresh, sweet girls. How you leave all of them in the city and come back to this village to come and marry my auntie. You don't even look at me, safe.
Don't allow me to slap you. What do you mean by that? Is the city girl more Peter than I am? You need to see me because I've given my life to Christ. You need to see me during that time. Chika la hot. Excuse you. Don't even say that again, please.
Anyway, she her boy's mother used to dash you money. Carry the water to her house for the money now.
Is it about
Are you not a child of God?
Is it about the money? I'm not interested in the money. I want the marriage, not the money. Are you not a child of God? Are you a child of devil? Have you gone to this church without giving offering? You need the money, I need the money too. So please.
Sorry.
I really don't know why this will happen to Jamike. Why would such a thing befall him?
That is bad. But please don't worry yourself too much. I know he will overcome it. Only God knows why it happened.
I'm telling you.
If only he had listened to you, not to
Yes. That is one thing I don't like about him. He is too stubborn. I know this whole thing happened because of me, but the issue now is that I can't even go to the village to see him.
No. We have to get ready and leave. We have exams and we are late. There's no time. Hurry up.
You see? How could you have left the city that late? Eh? We'll go there. I told you that burial goes with a lot of temptation.
Ajay, it's okay now. It's okay. This is no time to blame him. He's made a mistake already. You could be there or this year. We must flog it. Jamike, please prepare and go to the police and make entry.
What happens to his meeting with the elders this morning?
Okay, what do you even care about? The meeting or my well-being?
I care about both. Eh? If you had listened to me, this wouldn't have happened. And if you had not taken that foolish girl back, this wouldn't have occurred.
Yeah.
Who did you just call a foolish girl?
Hey!
What did you call a foolish girl? What did you call a foolish girl?
Your son is killing me. Hey!
Now get out of this compound.
Okay, sorry, please.
Out!
Hey, sorry. Hey, you're a woman. Hey!
Why would you open his mouth to call her a foolish girl?
Is that what?
Oh, why enemy and his son?
Why will you blame him like that?
Hey!
Hey! That's why you girls keep their corrupt bitch now.
Hey!
Around your way.
Nancy.
Abba, good morning.
Good morning. But I would like it better if you call me Pat.
Oh, sorry, Pat.
Thank you very much. So how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Yes.
You called me that you were coming, but your baby's not here.
Well, I know her lodge, so I wasn't looking for her. I'm actually here to see your roommate, Dikeh.
Oh,
Is she around?
Yes, she will soon be coming now. We're leaving for school.
Babe! Did you see my room?
Dikeh. Hi.
Abo is there to see you.
Yes, how are you?
See me. I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I can see you girls are going to school. Can I please give you a ride? She said yes.
If you have the time.
I have the whole day. Thank you. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
What kind of thing is this? I filled the water thing. I checked my oil. What kind of embarrassment is this? Why would I be suffering like this? Yes, the guy is old. Hi. If only my daughter had agreed to marry Chief Ekweme, I won't be here suffering like this. What kind of embarrassment is this? Can't know if I'm mad again.
Madam Principal, your car has filled this afternoon.
Let me just warn you now. If you don't mind the way you talk, I will send your daughter out of school for not paying school fees.
Agnes, what is it? Why must you threaten me with sending my daughter away from school? Is she the only one owing school fees? Are you the owner of the school? If it was to be when Okonkwo had a Abuja connection, I will sack you from this your job.
It's not possible. You can't sack me. See, I come to school like Kiribam. All I need now is to get home and rest after a hard day's work. Because I don't have time for you.
You see your life? You educated people always think that people like us are foolish. You don't even know I can help you start your car.
You can help me start.
Wham!
In your drunken state. Alcohol has covered your eyes. You can't even see the wires even if you try. Neither would you see me.
See, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. I can fix this car. Do you know what I was doing all those days when I was in Abuja? It's not drinking. Listen, I was first class mechanic. Yes. I repaired the cars of the former presidents, senators, ex-ministers. You do not think you're top of the world. Stay here. Stay here.
Help me fix this car. See, if you fix this car for me, I will pay half of your daughter's school fees.
Give me money to drink beer. The school fees, let it be one side.
Okay, I will add beer to it.
Why did you not start this thing since? This is what you would have done since now. You never know about it. What did you say is wrong with the car?
They just stopped.
There's nothing boring this car now. Enter the car, go and start it. Enter the car.
But you've not done anything yet.
Don't worry yourself, just enter the car. I'm not at the front. What did I tell you? Did I not tell you?
Money that won't not touch your brain,
See you later.
See, Okoye, he must fulfill all the rights. If you like, let him throw his car into River Naija. See, he had the guts to walk out on us yesterday.
My own anger is that he nearly killed me, Okoye. We must make that boy to pay.
He must pay?
I don't even care to know if he's hot-tempered or not. If he challenges me, I'm going to kill him. He's just lucky I was not in the meeting.
Please, my elders, what do we do now that he did not come?
We'll go. We are going already. On the day of his father's burial, we will not see the cabinet members. And we will make sure he doesn't receive any token from the community. See, Jamike must apologize to us, hot temper or not.
He must. He must.
Please, my fellow elders, I know that he almost choked me to death. But please, let us still try to help him because of old soldier. Just because of old soldier's sake.
See, Okoye, if you want to help your brother's son, go and talk to him now. There is still time. Okoye, it's not late yet. Anakwam.
Hey! Mama, I have to rush to the police and make some reports.
It is important. Oh, them back. So they will help us look for your car. Look at this way.
Hey! Fumoto.
Hey.
Osondo, you have heard?
Nam, I'm fine. You have seen the problem. From one problem to the other.
But Diego, I didn't even know you people have heard it already.
Heard what?
What kind of question is that? Was I not the one that was robbed?
He was robbed yesterday.
Who was robbed?
Sondo, what kind of question is that? I was robbed yesterday, my car was taken away, my phones, everything.
Even
is that why you are here?
Chineke.
His car was taken. Everything!
Chineke. Hey! Your car was robbed. No wonder I've been trying to call you on phone. I couldn't get you.
I tried reaching you too, your phone wasn't going through.
Hey, Mbano. I can't say this. I can't tell you why I'm here. How am I going to break this news? This is this thing is.
What do you mean? How are you going to tell me why you are here? Can't you say why you are
Something happened. Something happened. Look at the car. I'm hearing another one.
Osondo, what happened?
What happened?
Hey, Osondo. What happened now? Something happened.
Nancy, it's obvious it's not going to work between Uloma and I anymore. I've tried to make your friend understand, but she doesn't even listen to me. She said she doesn't want again, but I'm not giving up. I am not. Nancy, please, I need you to help me and talk to her. I know she listens to you. I have liked that girl since I have loved her since the very first time I set my eyes on her. Bikun.
Pat, I know. But I told you she's seen someone and she loves him at that. I don't think it will work.
No. I mean, it's nothing. I know she's very beautiful, so I do not expect her not to have someone trying to. You know, every guy would want a beautiful girl like her. But the truth is this. I care about her more than all these guys. So, I am not giving up. Please, help me. I am not going to rest until I have her as my own, like, all to myself.
Okay, Pat, you know what I will do? I will try, but please, don't keep your hopes high.
Nancy, to let you know how serious I am and that I will not back down for any reason. If you help me do this, if you help me make this work, I will give you 200,000 naira.
What? You will give me...
You heard me. 200,000. For you alone, it's not like it's for you two to share. I mean, she will get hers differently. Just for you alone. You see, you're smiling. Okay, now, you can imagine how grateful she will be when I start spoiling her too. She'll be very grateful to you. Please.
Don't worry at all. You know what? Just leave everything to me.
Okay. I am counting on you.
Sure.
And your check will be ready.
Oh, okay.
Have
Don't
a
worry.
good day.
Thank you.
I'll call you.
Okay.
All right.
Why, my friend? Yeah, shop. Hey! The fire started from his shop. Oh. Before he enters okay shop, we tried to stop it. No way. Everything in your shop got burnt. Only your shop. Hey! How?
Why?
Mama, this is not ordinary.
Hey!
Just yesterday, brother's car was stolen. And now his shop.
Why, God, why?
This is not ordinary.
It's okay.
Why did only my shop get burnt? What did I do?
We don't know.
Hey! Mama, they have turned me to a poor man overnight too.
Hey!
You mean he said that?
Mm-hmm. That guy has fallen for you and he means well.
I like him, but you know about Jamike and I.
I don't know what to say, but if you ask me, I will tell you he's the best man for you. He will treat you well and he will give you marital peace of mind.
Nancy, I'm scared. I'm having this cold chills down my spine. How would Jamike feel about this?
You guys only dated. Did you promise him marriage? Yes, I know he had it in mind to marry you, but he's not the right man for you.
He's not the right man for me. After 2 years of dating, what do I say to him?
I beg. Come on, 2 years. People have dated 10 years and they didn't get married. Just better start looking for something that will make both of you fight. Or else one day he will wake up and kill you. And they will say it's because he has a hot temper.
And say that is what scares me. And that is why my mind is still not settled in marrying him. I don't know what to do about this. I like Pat. He's handsome, he's kind, he's gentle. In fact, he's my perfect kind of man. Even though some people think he's not man enough. But I like him that way, I prefer him. And I'm not telling you this for you to relate it to him.
No, why would I do that?
She wants to chop everything. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. Now which kind of woman be this? I tire. What type of woman be this? I tire. What type of mama be this? I tire. She wants to chop everything. I tire. She wants to eat everything.
Yeah. This one you're seated here, what's the problem?
Mama, you won't believe this. Do you know Jamike's shop got burned?
Hey! How? When did this happen?
I don't know. His friend came here and he told me, so I had to go to his house so I can give him the phone to talk to sister.
Oh, you have become the communication network. Which one are you? MTN, Glo or Airtel?
Mama, they couldn't even talk because he was crying.
A big boy crying. Crying over what? Besides, are you trying to tell me that Jamike cannot even afford a cheap phone? A phone of about 1,500, the type that they couple at Headbridge or Freya?
Mama, this is somebody that lost his car, his phone, his money because of your daughter.
Anyway, are you saying this? Anyway, if Jamike likes, let him lose everything. It's none of my business. Because if you're talking because of that money, I cannot refund the money. As a matter of fact, the money is not even there. Jamike may lose, what do you lose? It no concern me. Biko, go inside and prepare lunch for me. I'm very hungry. You're taking your time to go and prepare lunch.
Let me go and call her.
Please go and prepare my lunch or let me go and call her.
Don't you think he'll say that he got me so cheaply? Aloma, what is keeping you? When? Oh no, this is not happening. This is not happening. Where are you? Jesus Christ. Is Mom back? Okay, you know what? Just stay right there, okay? Don't move, I'll call you back. Alright, okay. What happened? Chamiki. His shop got burnt to ashes.
My God! How? When did it happen?
I don't know. Aloma just called me that a friend of his came in to inform him this afternoon.
My God, that is bad. I feel for him, but why is it happening to him at this point?
Nancy, I have to go and see him.
No, you're not going anywhere. You have exams. You can't go and see him now. You know what? You can go and see him over the weekend.
Ugo dear, I will not follow you home. Your son insulted me upon that. I still pleaded with the elders to have pity on him.
My husband, Nai, Ichiem, you're not doing it for my son. You are doing it for me. Remember my late husband and the relationship that existed between both of you. On account of that, please forgive my son. Pardon him. You know he has anger issue, has anger problem.
I am tired of that. I am tired of that. Is he the only one that has Obioko? Is he the only one that has temper problem?
No, but his own is too much.
Listen to me. Your son has committed an abomination and the nemesis has come after him.
Ichi, how? What did he do?
Out of love, your son killed a cow for the burial of Agnes's mother, when his father never killed a cow for his own father. He has not even buried old soldier, and he has killed a cow for another.
Ichi, could it be why he's going through all these problems now?
Not could it be, it is. First, he has to appease the gods. It's no longer the elders, so it's now the whole community. And all I can do for you is to find out what he will use to appease the gods. As for your home, I will not come. I'm still suffering from what he did to me yesterday. Hey.
Ha! Patrick, I decided to bring you home.
Okay, Patrick. Mr. Decider, you're welcome. No, Chai.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. You're a handsome boy. You have khaki in your hand. You came with car. Of course, you said you decided to bring her home. I thought maybe you used keke. Wait! What kind of car? I hope he has AC.
Just a small camera.
But is there space at the back for him?
For you.
Ah,